and tune in. Build up the Rastaman panel. Ladies and gentlemen, cops released a picture of a woman that is said to be able to provide information in the death of 8-year-old Danielle Rowe. As police seeking public's help in finding a woman they believe can assist them with the information related to the death of 8-year-old Danielle Rowe. The police on the Twitter page released the image developed using electronic facial identity technology of a woman they believe to be able to provide information regarding the case. Police reports are that the child was abducted from the school last Thursday and her throat was slashed. Rowe, a student of Brayton Primary in Portmore in St. Catherine, was taken from the institution in a motor car, transported to Vineyard Town in St. Andrew, and thrown from the vehicle. Police theorize the wounded child, later found, rushed to the hospital where she died. The police followed the incident and launched a manhunt searching for persons responsible for the death of the child. The police said that as also looking on footage of local captured from security cameras. The injured child was found, ladies and gentlemen, in the bushes. Police said that woman of brown complexion, slim built, about 5'10", and she appears to be in her 30s. Meanwhile, anyone with information is being asked to contact the local police station, Crime Stopper at 311, or even the Halfway Tree Police Station at 876-926-8184 or 876-926-8186. Police also suggest you call the emergency number, the 119 number, ladies and gentlemen. This is a terrible, terrible situation that has occurred, and I personally am appalled of the lack of interest by the people themselves in this particular case. Danielle Rowe is only an 8-year-old young girl, and she has been taken away from her mother, her father, her family, and the country. The community is in shock right now, ladies and gentlemen, and the local police is asking for your help. The Jamaican police